Hello guys, you are welcome on Flexion. In this lecture we will prove the commutation relation of angular momentum. We know that the result of angular momentum Lx Ly is equal to eta h cut Lz. Similarly, Ly Lz is equal to eta h cut Lx, and L Z commute with Lx is equal to eta h cut Ly. But in this lecture, we will prove how to calculate these result. So let's start now. Firstly, we calculate the angular momentum component with the help of determinant. We know that angular momentum L is equal to R cross P. Now we proceed these in matrix R and P. So after that we will calculate determinant, and in determinant this is I component and this is y j component, this is z component. In this manner we calculate the component of angular momentum, and now we find the commutation relation with Lx with Ly. So we know that Lx is here and Ly is here. We use result Lx and Ly. So firstly we put Lx and Ly, and then we multiply both side firstly, and commute with momentum operator and coordinate. In this, y component is multiplied with z, and momentum component is pz and px, and again this is multiply again y and z, pz and pz, again py and px, z and z, and now again minus minus is plus, and z and x component, momentum component is py and pz. So these two terms are already zero, because in this term in pz and pz present here, and in this component is z and z present here. So these two terms are zero. Now we calculate these two terms, solve these two terms. Firstly is this term solve. Firstly outside the y terms, and this side is px terms. So inside term is pz and z component, and we know that commutation relation with x with p x is equal to eta h cut. So in this manner, in this relation we obtain here uh, firstly momentum component and then coordinate component, so is equal to minus eta h cut. So we use minus eta h cut, and y is as it is, and px is also as it is. Similarly these terms also so py is outside and x is outside, here present z and pz terms. So these terms give eta h cut and x and py. So these result we use in our relation here and here. So we use and take out common eta h cut here. Here we calculate x py minus y px. So we know that this result is Lx, y p, sorry, Lz, x py minus y pz. So these terms all we will get, we have to get eta h cut lz. Similarly ly and lz and lz and lx. How to remember these commutation relation? For remember, lx is and ly with lx and ly is present here, eta h cut, and here absent z term, so outside is z term. Plus sign and minus sign depend on our cycle. For example, x, y and z. In this relation lx and ly means here lx to ly, so we have to use a positive sign, and we use ly minus ly and lx, so we have to use negative sign. So these are depends on our momentum. So now we have to calculate L square with Lx, Ly and Lz. These also is similar manner. We know that L square is equal to Lx square, Ly square and Lz square. Here present these relation, and firstly we calculate Lx. So momentum commutation relation with Lx square or Lx, again Ly and Lx, again Lz and Lx, both term square first, and we know that Lx and Lx is 0. In this term here we will solve Ly and Ly with Lx. So firstly this term outside and commutation relation with Ly and Lx, and again this term here, and again this term is outside and Ly and Lx relation present. Ly is outside. Firstly pre side outside and again post side outside. Similarly these terms, firstly here pre side Lz common, and in this term post side Lz is common. So we know that in previous slide Ly and Lx component, so here we will use Ly to, we move y to x, so use negative sign minus eta h cut Lz. In this term minus eta h cut Lz Ly, here is plus sign because we move z to x, so use positive sign. Lz eta h cut Ly Lz, eta h cut Ly Lz. So these four terms are present here, and these terms same with this, and this term same with this, but here both are opposite sign, so we find 0 result. Similarly Ly and